welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi beautiful, hi handsome. My name is Zimi, but you can call me Sahida. Please do consider subscribing to my channel, like, share and comment on this video. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a single one of my uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you bestie for coming back. And as usual, tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their livestock. Bessus is here. Okay. Welcome to a day in my life. Today is Friday. Friday are my rest days or my off days. And today I have quite a bit to do. Not a lot, but today's quite packed from hour to hour. Yeah. Firstly, I'm expecting a Takealot delivery. I hope that izofika qala before I can do other stuff. Then I have to go get my clothes from the laundry. I'm hoping that I'm gonna go get my clothes now because it looks like it's gonna rain. Oh, this weather. Ish. I need to go get my clothes from the laundry, then while I'm expecting my delivery, then do the other stuff. Oh, it's a lot. Then I'm going to watch the Soil live on campus. They're gonna be doing the Soil reimagined. I'm gonna put it up here somewhere. Yeah, the activation tour for their concert. They're gonna have a concert here. Then after that, I'm going to donate blood. I haven't done that in so long. I actually feel guilty even saying that I haven't done it in so long. I'm going to donate blood, and yeah. So from now, the Soil is actually performing at 12. It's almost 12 now. So I'm hoping that this delivery comes fast, then I can just ta and go. I'm gonna do the unboxing when I come back. Then so they're performing from 12 to 2, and then the donation, the blood drive, is from 10 to 4 today, so you can go from anytime from 10 to 4. Yeah. And then so because the activation ends at 2, I'm gonna go to donate blood. I'm gonna go donate blood after that. Yo, then because the venue where we're going to donate blood is like quite a walking distance, I'm hoping that I'm gonna be there before 4. I mean, obviously I'm gonna be there before 4 because I'm coming from campus to wherever it is, so it's probably like a 30-minute to 45-hour walk. If 45-hour 45-minute walk, depending on how fast or slow you walk. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, come along to spend the day with me today, and I hope you do like this video. Like, I'm gonna say this again and again until it gets through your skull. Hope that you do like this video. Please do like it because it really helps with me being discovered. Don't gatekeep me, in essence. That's what I'm saying. So you can do that by sharing the video and liking it, so other people can discover me, can see me, can find me, and form part of my clique. Let's go.
All right.
Yo, all three. taking the whole day? I was waiting for my friend, and she was taking so long. I actually wanted to go up and go fetch her. And now, she's here. Asamuhle baby.
What if he? Hello, guys.
Why did you take so long?
Because it's
me. Papa.
No,
Please welcome on stage the reimagined, the best in South Africa and Africa, our favorite a cappella group, ladies and gentlemen, the Soul! Make some noise for the Soul!
Yes, we are walking to donate our blood because we are good citizens of humanity. And we are op die pad om die regte ding te doen omdat ons is goeie persoons. Mens is that what you say in Afrikaans? And that is Boipelo, that is Sizwa, and that is your one and only Zimi Sahira. How do you pronounce your surname? Cana. Cana. It's spelled Cana, guys. Okay. Yep, we're walking. Okay, guys, by the way, this is another campus. This is called the Ocean Science. And obviously right now it doesn't look like much. But like we have a planetarium over there. And this is, I feel like, the backyard of this whole campus. But we are literally about to walk into the most cutest sitting ever. Okay, sneak peek. Oh guys, he actually posed for the... I really hope she uses this footage because I feel like my voice is just so beautiful. You don't have to see my face, by the way. Look at her. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. Zimi, please walk because you know how to walk. Come on, walk properly like a person. I really like this, man. Okay, so guys, remember the nice...
You can see the person who's making the video. Let me show you.
No, please don't. Okay, we're about to walk into... Oh God. Yes, just like that. We are about to walk into the most cutest building. By the way, that's me. That's me, yep. No. Okay, so apparently I'm not supposed to take videos of people, but don't look, so close your eyes when you see people. This is the study center. Ew, we're walking. This is where the cafeteria is. And people are there, but this is so cute. So cute, so cute. Look at Sizwa and Boipelo being friends. Typical friendies.
Please stop because I didn't tell you for permission.
That's the one and only lovely Boipelo. Okay, I'm gonna stop that. This is the beautiful area as well. Okay, this is the whole of it. It's blue because it's an ocean science here. It's an inside joke, I'm guessing. That's me again. Okay. Ooh, and then we got the nice part. This looks like an aquarium. It really does. Can you tell where we are? She really is. Okay. Yeah, but I want to show you guys the little and the outside of it. This is the front building, guys. Obviously the back is probably like it's abandoned, you know, it's left for the trenches. But this is such a beautiful place, guys. It's really beautiful here. Okay, guys, looks like we made it to the destination alive. We're about to do the things that need to be done. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, guys. Spoiler alert, it's my first time actually donating blood. I'm gonna tell you how it went. So,
Hi, my name is Zimi and this is me before donating blood.
go.
This is me before I donate.
Ha ha.
Look at the camera.
Hi, this is me. I'm trying to get Sizwa. Magalula Kasendela yam. Tabangani. Oh. Launching
Yes.
This is me before I donate blood.
It's me, the girl behind the beautiful voice. My name is Ellen and this is me before I donate blood.
Hi guys, my name is Lee. This is me before donating blood, guys.
Why? Because it's your name.
Oh, not for she's donating for the first time, so it's no chicken. Ah, wena. Thatha isigubhu ukudla sobuye sikubona uyadlala. Joking. Ibhotile is forever until you lose it or it breaks. And free goodies, a bottle, and then I got iron tablets, I got a bottle of water, 3 cookies, and a bag. Yay!
Hi guys, it's me Ellen and this is me after blood donations. Hi, my name is Amy and this is me after donations. Whoop, 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 whoop.
I'm back and I'm so tired. Yo. So from the soil we went to donate blood, as you saw. I want to do the Takealot unboxing now, but I'm tired. I had so much fun. Yo, they were singing. Yo, songs from my childhood, bruh. And it was so nice. Anyway, I don't know, but I'm tempted to do it now. Let me do it now. Okay. So as you saw, there were 3 boxes. This is one of them. Oh, my details. Okay, let me just open this quickly. Okay. Let's see what's inside. I mean, I know what's inside, but you guys don't. So let me show you. Such a big box for something so small. So I bought SD card, 128 gigs SD card. It's not your normal brand, as you can see, but this was very affordable and I need it. As you can see, 128 gigabytes. How cool. Yeah, on to the next one. Okay, then we come to this big old box over here. I wish I could move you guys a bit higher up, but I can't. This thing is short. Anyway, let's open this. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Hey, I bought headphones. Oh my gosh. What do you mean, guys? How stunning. Never mind the brand and everything. Wow. I have headphones now. What do you mean, bro? Stunning. Lastly, the biggest of them all. Let me show you guys. This one is the biggest of them all. Let's open it and see what's inside. And drum roll, please. Oh, my space is so little. What is that? Oh my gosh. It's a Studio Duo. It's a hair dryer and a straightener. I've been meaning to buy this for myself because so now I had to, and being like, guys, it's not unnecessary spending, okay? Well done, Zimi. Well done, girl. Yeah. Do I want to open it? I do. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing the straightener's in here. Guys. Oh my god. Wow. bonbon. What? What do you mean? I'm kidding. Wow. Hey, hey, Jehovah. Okay, that's it. What can I say? I'm so happy. Ish, I've been meaning to do this for the longest time, guys. So, best you understand, Wuzi, this means like a big deal. And I've been saying, and I'll still say this. Let me sit you down. I'll still say for the longest time, if something is important to you, you're allowed to make a big deal out of it. That's that on that. I'm really tired, so I think I'm gonna close this this video here and say ngiyabonga kakhulu for your presence. Thank you for being here. I know you could have chosen to be someone else, but you chose to be here with me, and I really appreciate it, bestie. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, I hope I have convinced you to do so. Subscribe so you can see more of what I do, and I'll see you on my next one, and the one after that, and the one after that, and the one after that. But I'm also thinking I need to do groceries tomorrow. Nah, I'm too tired to. No, bestie, thank you for tuning into this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.